This video will show you a quick tutorial on how to change your stimulation program. A second stimulation program may be available during your therapy trial. The first step in changing your stimulation program is connecting your remote control to your stimulator. Hold the remote at your waist on the same side of your body as the stimulator. Next, simply press and release the center button. The lights at the top of the remote will flash as it searches for the stimulator. It may take several seconds to connect. When your remote has connected, the top lights will stop flashing and the stimulator battery light at the bottom will turn on. When connected, you'll see a light either below the number 1 or the number 2 near the top of the remote control. This indicates your current stimulation program. To change your program, hold down the center button on your remote control for 5 or more seconds. You'll see the light move to below the other number, which indicates the program has changed. If the light does not change, you may not have a second program available. When you change the program, there will be no top lights on because no stimulation is being delivered. You need to increase the stimulation in order to experience symptom reduction. To increase stimulation, press the up arrow. Continue increasing until you feel the stimulation at a comfortable level. To decrease the stimulation, press the down arrow. You'll see the top lights decrease and feel a vibration that confirms the setting. Lastly, to turn off your remote control, press the center button again. If you forget, the remote will turn itself off after a few seconds of inactivity. If you have any other questions about using your remote control, contact your healthcare provider or refer to the manuals included with your device.